Termination phase is the very and most critical phase of the NCR because after successful therapy implemented in which state nurse and client are doing to break up the up of therapeutic relationship. So this type of transmissions always considered as critical and painful. Trust is the most important factor in the therapeutic relationship because it is very important to build up rapport between client and nurse. Nursing education and research demonstrations is an effective teaching which in lean by observation. The process of communication includes sender, message, channel, and receivers. Stereotyping it means assuming that all group members are alike or common. The relationship between two or more variables is known as hypothesis. Hypothesis is also known as prediction. Which phase of the nurse client relationships focus to develop clarity about the patient preconceptions and expansions of nurse and developed expectations of each other and response to people who can offer help us working phase. Working phase it is also known as explorations phase in which the client's problems are identified and solutions are implemented or explored and evaluated. Most critical phase of the nurse client relationship termination phase. Required pressure of autoclave 15 lbs or pound per square. Temperature 121 degrees Celsius 250 degree Fahrenheit. Mucous membrane and skin are first line defense mechanism. Gas gangrene is most commonly caused by infection with the bacterium Clostridium fructiferans and Welsi. Color of gram-positive bacteria in instant violet color. Required the best required the time of autoclave 15 से 20 मिनट. A autoclave is a machine that uses steam under pressure to kill harmful bacteria, virus, fungi, and their spores on items. They are placed inside a pressure vessel. Autoclave is the most commonly method of sterilization. Autoclave is the moist heat sterilization method. Example of moist heat sterilization autoclave. Leg log extensory and decline the correct sequence for phase of the bacterial growth curve. Type 1 hypersensitive in seen in anaphylaxis, urticaria, allergic conjunctivitis, etc. Which type of hypersensitivity reaction due to IgE mediate histamine release called type 1? The study of absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of drug is known as pharmacokinetics. The science which deal with the drug and their action of human body is called pharmacology. Famotidine is the histamine of H2 receptor blocking agent that work as decreased secretion of HCl in the stomach. Acyclovir is an antiviral medicine used for viral disease such as herpes. Most common and early symptoms of myasthenia gravis, ptosis. Myasthenia gravis occur due to decreased level of acetylcholine level at neuromuscular junction. Drug used into myasthenia gravis called anti-myasthenia and anti-cholinesterase drug. Drug of choice for myasthenia gravis is neostigmine. Misoprostol is act as bind to myometrial cells to cause strong myometrial contraction, leading to expulsion of tissue. So rupture of uterus is the most danger complication of misoprostol in case of misuse or prescribed by untrained personally illegally. All anti-TB drugs are bactericidals except ethambutol. Drug of choice during pregnancy in case of malaria is chloroquine and it client become resistant against chloroquine, then quinine is the drug of choice. What is the daily intake of folic acid? 400 microgram. The expectant height of normal child at 12 months is 75 centimeters. Normal birth weight of baby is 2.5 3.0 kg. The characteristics of adolescents are rapid physically, physiologically, congenital growth, and behavior change and development. Adolescence is a transition period between childhood and adulthood. Adolescence means 10 to 90 years. The average height of newborn at birth 45 50 centimeter or 90 21 inch. The approximated increase in length in the first years of life is 25 centimeters. What is the toddler age from 1 year to 3 years? A neonate is also called newborn. Infant period is 20 day to 1 year period. A neonate is also called newborn. A neonate means a baby as group 0 28 days. Late neonatal period is 7 to 28 days. Early neonate period is birth to 7 days. Egg 2 week to 8 week fetus 9 week to 8 term till delivery. Fertilization zygote 0 से 14 day after conception, which is the best indicator of the health and nutritional status of children. Weight during fetal development at which week seen in convert with Lunego and Vernix caseosa 20 weeks. What do you means about mucinium? First, blackish stool of newborn. The slight downy distribution of fine hair over neonatal body is termed lanugo. The National Leprosy Control Program was launched by Government of India in 1955. RKSK stand for Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya कार्यक्रम. What is the dose of weekly iron and folic acid supplement scheme? WIFS 100 mg elemental iron, 500 mg 500 microgram folic acid. The AIDS control program was launched in 1992. Mission Indradhanush is related with child vaccination. Under the Ayushman Bharat government has announced two major initiatives, namely National Health Protection Scheme and Health and Wellness Center. What is insurance cover under the Ayushman Bharat scheme? 5 lakh rupees. Sudden increase in occurrence of disease in particular time at place is known of outbreak. PMJAY is an acronym for Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. IMR is the infant death rate per thousand live birth. What is the sex ratio number of female per 1000 male? JSY is a acronym of Janani Suraksha Yojana. Pulse polio immunization cover 0 to 5 years children. When was National Health Mission launched? 2013. National Health Mission. Dose and route of administrations of rotavirus vaccine. 5 draw oral. Route of administration of dose BCG vaccines for 3-month-old baby. Intradermal 0.1 ml. Vaccine should be stored at what temperature? 8 degrees Celsius. प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षित मातृत्व अभियान PMSMA PMSMA was launched 2016 में. Full form of MAAA program Mother Absolute Affection. फर्स्ट नेशनल एड्स कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम कब लॉन्च हुआ? 1992 में. इंडिया एम टू एलिमिनेटेड टीबी को जीरो डेथ करेगी 2025, लेकिन अब 25 निकल चुका है तो 2030 तक. वुमेन ऑफ रिप्रोडक्टिव एज रेफर टू ऑल वुमेन एज 15 से 45 ईयर. व्हाट इज अंतरा? अब अंतरा क्या है? तो अंतरा एक इंजेक्टेबल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव इंजेक्शन है. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ NPCDS नेशनल प्रोग्राम फॉर प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ कैंसर, डायबिटीज, कार्डियोवास्कुलर डिजीज एंड स्ट्रोक. Which vaccine prevented congenital rubella syndrome? MR, measles or rubella. Incubation period in the period between entry of organism and development of symptoms. What is the life expectancy at birth in India? 69. When was India declared polio free? 2014. The objective of National Deworming Day is to deworm all preschool and school-age children between the age of 1 से लेकर 19 साल तक के बच्चों को. टारगेट क्या है पॉपुलेशन कवर्ड अंडर राष्ट्रीय किशोर स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम में? 10 से 19 साल के बच्चे, आदमी या फिर फीमेल, अर्बन एरिया के अंदर. नेशनल लेप्रोसी एडिकेशन प्रोग्राम लॉन्च हुआ था 1983 में. यह कुष्ठ रोग के लिए हुआ था. नेशनल टोबैको कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया था गवर्नमेंट सरकार ने 2007 में और 2008 में. Its inability to read small letter and held usual distance in the future of, तो उसको बोलते हैं प्रेसबायोपिया. छोटे छोटे अक्षर दिखाई देते हैं इनको. A patient is posted to cardiac surgery. Which type of eye drop are to prescribed? तो माइटेंट्रिक जो उसको देंगे हम आई ड्रॉप, जिसके कारण उसकी प्यूपिल्स डायलेट हो जाएगी. Presbyopia is caused by hardening of the eye lines which occur विद एंजाइन। ये होता है भाई प्रेसबोपिया। Purpose of eye care in a comatose patient to prevent corneal irritation and ulcer. During RTA, person has stroke, then pupils are dilate, which is used of correcting hypermetropy, convex lens, long sightedness, hyperopia is correct using a convex। सेफ स्ट्रेटजी क्या होती है? तो ये प्रोफाइलेक्सिक अगेंस्ट ट्रकोमा इन्फेक्शन के लिए होती है, जो कि हमें ब्लाइंडनेस से प्रिवेंट करता है। सेफ स्ट्रेटजी इज रिकमेंडेड ऑफ कंट्रोल ट्रकोमा। Trachoma is disease related to eye. The most common cause of retinal disease is degenerative changes in the retina or vitreous. Onchocerciasis cause river blindness. Heavy activities should be avoided. How many weeks the retinal disease surgery? 2 weeks तक उसको कुछ नहीं करना है, ज़्यादा हिलना डुलना नहीं, ज़्यादा आगे की तरफ, नहीं तो वापस उखड़ जाएगा। विच पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी अफेक्टेड टू कंजक्टिवाइटिस में आई का जो पार्ट होता है वो अफेक्टेड होता है। एबनॉर्मल सेंसिटिव टू लाइट इज नाउ नो फोटोफोबिया कहलाता है, जो कि लाइट से डर लगता है, फोटोफोबिया। नॉर्मल विजन कितना होता है? तो 20 से 20। ए फाइंडिंग द 20 to 40 वुड में मीन दैट पेशेंट इज लेस देन द नॉर्मल विजन। अप्रोप्रिएटेड नीडल साइज ऑफ इंसुलिन की नीडल की कितनी साइज होती है? 25 गोज 5/8 लंबी होती है। इंसुलिन में कितने अमाइनो एसिड होते हैं? तो 51 अमाइनो एसिड होते हैं। पॉलीपेप्टाइड हार्मोन्स। पेंक्रियास डेल्टा सेल्स क्या करती है? सिक्रेटिन करती है सोमेटोस्टोमिन हार्मोन का। नॉर्मल एफपीएस 70 से 110 mg एंड 100 से 125 प्री डायबिटिक मेलाइटस एंड 125 से ज़्यादा इंडिकेट डायबिटिक मेलाइटस। कार्डिनल साइन क्या होते हैं डायबिटिक मेलाइटस के? तो पॉलीयूरिया, पॉलीडिप्सिया, पॉलीफेजिया। हाइपर सिक्रेशन ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन आफ्टर द क्लोजर ऑफ एपिफाइसल प्लेट कैन कॉज gigantism. Which electrolyte imbalance seen in Addison disease? Sodium. The site of insulin injection is rotated in patient with diabetes. What is the minimum distance to be ensured between two sites? 2 inches. तो गाइज ये थे कुछ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो कि हर बार आपके एग्ज़ाम में आते हैं। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। तो नर्स स्पार्क को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना।